Hello trader, welcome to Strategy Lab. In this video, I'll show you how to identify liquidity sweeps and a signature liquidity sweep candle pattern directly on a higher time frame, instead of dropping down to a lower time frame to hunt for sweeps. Then, by combining those two ideas, I'll introduce an indicator that can detect them automatically. In today's video, I'm going to cover 3 parts. 1. What is liquidity? How to identify buy-side liquidity and sell-side liquidity. 2. The most characteristic liquidity sweep candlestick pattern. 3. An indicator that combines sell-side liquidity with the liquidity sweep candlestick pattern. If we draw a straight line connecting the lower lows or higher lows, that is, sell-side liquidity, this is where many buy orders stop losses are clustered, placed right below that area. Similarly, if we draw a straight line connecting the higher lows and higher highs, that is, buy-side liquidity, this is where many sell orders stop losses are clustered, placed right above that price zone. There are many candlestick patterns that signal a reversal. Some examples include: the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern has these characteristics. The first candle is bearish and the second candle is bullish, in which the second candle completely engulfs the first candle. The bullish harami candlestick pattern has these characteristics. The first candle is bearish and the second candle is bullish, in which the second candle is usually smaller than the first, and its real body is contained within the real body of the first candle. The tweezer bottom candlestick pattern has these characteristics. The first candle is bearish and the second candle is bullish, in which the lows of the two candles are equal or nearly equal. But today, we're going to combine all 3 of these candlestick patterns into one of the strongest reversal patterns, the liquidity sweep candle pair. A bullish liquidity sweep has these characteristics. The first candle is bearish and the second candle is bullish, in which the lower wick of the second candle sweeps below the lower wick of the first candle. Let's look at the following example. Here, price has swept the sell-side liquidity area. Pay attention to this candle pair. The wick of the second candle sweeps the wick of the first one. That is the liquidity sweep candlestick pattern. Now, let's drop to a smaller time frame to confirm. Based on the market structure on the lower time frame, price has also swept the sell-side liquidity zone. So, we can absolutely use the liquidity sweep candlestick pattern on a higher time frame to understand its nature. On the lower time frame, price has also swept sell-side liquidity. Combining these two ideas, we have an indicator that shows a buy signal when the following conditions are met. 1. Price sweeps liquidity at the sell-side liquidity zone on the higher time frame. 2. The entry is confirmed by a liquidity sweep candlestick pattern on the lower time frame. Go to TradingView. Next, go to Indicators and type this in the search box: Liquidity Buy Signal. Author, this guy. Click it to add it to your chart. In the Settings section, you can set the parameters similarly to this. Swing strength is the number of candles used to identify the sell-side liquidity zone. So, on the chart, you'll see that whenever the indicator's conditions are met, a buy signal triangle will appear right when the liquidity sweep candlestick pattern forms at the sell-side liquidity area. You can enter a trade right after the signal appears, place your stop loss just below the liquidity sweep candle pair, and set your take profit with a 1 to 2 risk to reward, or target the previous buy-side liquidity zone. This indicator is completely free on TradingView, and you can try it out using the TradingView link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified about the latest videos from Strategy Lab. If you have any ideas or suggestions for Strategy Lab's content, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.